If I remember correctly, economics is all about scarcity, right? It's all about how we have finite resources. And therefore, I would actually like to ask, given that, wouldn't the rich be able to get rich only because or only if the poor stays poor or they get poorer? Yes, I agree. We shouldn't just focus on income, but income inequality is a starting point for us to know how marginalized, certain communities in our society is.
Because the way you said it is also the way I think about it. Those families who are rich can buy extra tuition. The statement is not because there's inequality in society, some people can buy extra tuition. It's that those who are rich can afford to do so. Those who are poor cannot. But the statement is conditioned on your level of income.
Yeah.
How rich you are, not where you are in the income distribution, not where you are relative to others. See, the point is that we are so used to thinking about this game of life as a zero-sum game.
Yeah.
What someone gets, someone else has to do without. Anthea, your statement was, I'm interested. I'm keen to think about all these as possibilities, but isn't it just possible that the rich have become rich because they've taken advantage of the poor? They've taken something away from the poor. That might well happen in certain societies.
So I think if we are not saying that income inequality is a problem, then clearly, this current state of affairs with how we actually design our policies, where we actually reward the rich, and then in the income distribution, and then we actually in sort of a straightforward sort of way, I would say that we put a lot of a punitive weight actually on the poor.
Yeah.
In the way that they are actually having to seek assistance.
I think sometimes the language we use, like for example, just using it as an example, when we say we impose a punitive burden on the poor, it could be perceived as saying that the rich, because you earn so much money, that that kind of means that they are part of the problem, when in fact they are part of the solution.